Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be the Pack With Me video to go along with the other travel videos that I've done already. The Power Hour and the pre-travel routine. It should be linked somewhere in this video. Okay, so let's just get started. And I have two helpers before I get started. I have Roxy and Pooper. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take 3 bags with me. Well, 2 bags and my purse. And then my cooler. So I've got my cooler, my Will Work Out for Cupcakes bag that I carry everywhere anymore, and then my Veray gym bag that I got for my birthday last year. And I'm taking 3 bags with me because the Veray bag I'm going to take into the Zumba instructor's class with me, so it's going to hold everything I need to take in there. And my Will Work Out for Cupcakes bag is just going to hold my bathroom stuff, my PJs, and maybe an extra outfit if I want to change tomorrow after my Zumba class. And then the cooler is going to go into my Veray bag as well, and I'm just going to put snacks and water in there. So let's just get started on this Pack With Me. And I'm actually taping this the day that I'm leaving because this last week has been so bear with me and hope I don't forget anything. And I will be vlogging this trip as well. I don't know how much footage I'll get, but hopefully I'll get some. Okay, so this is the list of everything I need to take, and my budget and everything else. So my snacks are going to be packed separate. I didn't get to make granola bars or these muffins, so that's not going with me at all. So I'm probably going to be stuck with Lar bars and whatever else I take. And then I have my packing list. So hopefully this should be everything. Okay, and the camera finally focused. Okay, so I will show you everything as I pack it, and hopefully at the end I will have everything checked off of this list. So hopefully this shows up. But this is what happens when you're trying to pack your bags and you have cats. She climbs into the closet and climbs into the box. So, yeah, well, technically there's 2 because he is laying on the Kindle that I am taking because it's charging. Hopefully he'll get off of it before I have to leave. Okay, we have another adventurer. And this of course happens right before I have to get into the other side of the closet. But so far this is what it looks like. I still have more to get out of this closet, and yeah. And she's in back there sticking her head out every now and then seeing what the hell he's doing. Okay, this is clothes that I'm taking. These are the PJs I'm taking. I'm just taking an old workout shirt that I don't work out in, a pair of leggings. This is the outfit I might change until tomorrow. Black shorts and my Scooby-Doo shirt. And these are the 2 workout outfits I'm taking. Both the pants are Tech Gear. This shirt is Tech Gear. This purple shirt, which is showing up black, is Walmart, and I just put the socks and the bra on top of them. And then I have this black jacket because it says to bring a jacket, just in case. And then this bag is extra socks, underwear, and another bra. So these 2 outfits are going to go in this bag, the blue bag, and these 2 outfits are going to go in that bag along, and then I have to pack my bathroom stuff. And before I do that, I've got to show you the shoes. These shoes and the cat. The cat's not going with. These shoes are going with the pink outfit, and these shoes go with the purple. And I'm thinking about starting tomorrow off in the pink outfit. So, and by the time this video goes up, I will probably have Instagram pictures up as well, so you'll know what I started. Okay, so now I've just got to put this stuff in the bag. Oh, and I'm taking an extra bag for dirties as well. and then I'm going to show you the bathroom bag. Clothes are packed. I can't talk. And this is just what I'm taking for electronics. I'm going to take my Kindle, headphones. These work with my phone as well. I'm going to take my phone charger and my Kindle charger. And then this is going to go in this bag. Okay, so toiletries. I'm just going to take this toiletry bag. It's got body wash, shampoo and conditioner, which I probably won't need tonight, deodorant, toothbrush and toothpaste, and a comb. But I'm going to take a razor, my natural deodorant that I use. Okay, hold on, there it goes, it's focused. Okay, this African black soap that I've been washing my face with, my Olay moisturizer, and this comb, which I really like. And I'm taking 2 ponytails as well, but they're already in the gym bag. And then I'm taking this towel, and that's going to go in the gym bag in case I get too sweaty tomorrow. And then I'm taking my supplements in this bag. And my medications I'm just going to keep in the prescription bottle, and I'm either going to throw in my gym bag or keep in my purse. It depends on if I decide to take my purse in with me or not. If I don't take my purse in with me, I'm just going to put it in this bag or carry it, or my mom can keep it in the car. Because this is a girl strip, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put this stuff in the bag, check everything off my list, and get... Actually, there is one thing I'm missing. I'm taking... I don't know if I'm going to take a whole box, but I'm going to put some of these in my gym bag. And then I'm going to find snacks. And I know this is crazy, so I'm going to take my peanut M&Ms, and I'm going to take my Lara bar, and I've got to make sure I have enough gum in my purse.